हाय गाइस, इट्स मी रिया एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज का वीडियो होने वाला है थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट बिकॉज यूजुअली आई जनरली टॉक अबाउट स्किन केयर, हेयर केयर एंड बॉडी केयर प्रोडक्ट्स, बट द प्रोडक्ट दैट आई एम गोइंग टू बी टॉकिंग अबाउट इन टुडेज वीडियो इज अ लिप केयर प्रोडक्ट। ओके, नाउ यू मे थिंक कि लिप केयर में होता ही क्या है, एक लिप बाम लगा लो एंड यू विल बी गुड टू गो, राइट? बट इफ यू रेगुलरली फील द नीड टू कीप ऑन अप्लाइंग लिप बाम्स बिकॉज आपकी लिप्स बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई है, बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लेकी है, देन वॉट यू माइट बी मिसिंग आउट ऑन इज लिप एक्सफोलिएशन। ठीक है, now why is lip exfoliation necessary? So just like the skin on our face as well as on our body, when it feels very dry and flaky, you need to exfoliate because काफ़ी सारा dead skin cells build up होने लग जाता है, right? So if you are not exfoliating this dead skin cells, then obviously your skin will feel very dry and flaky generally also, right? So it is a similar case when it comes to our lips also, and especially if you are someone who loves to wear like lipsticks, lip products, especially those liquid lipsticks, then your lips can get extremely dry and flaky. Like मैं अगर अपनी ही बात कर लूँ तो because my profession demands it, and not just that, even otherwise I love wearing liquid lipsticks. Okay, on a day-to-day basis, like mostly I am wearing liquid lipsticks only because they are like long lasting, but because they are even long lasting, थोड़ा सा वो dryness factor भी आ जाता है, right? So I always used to have like dry, chapped and flaky lips until I discovered this particular product. Okay, so this product is by the brand called Pilgrim, and this is the Squalane Exfoliating Lip Peel Roll-On. Now Pilgrim, if you do not know, is a brand that aims to unearth beauty secrets from all over the world for getting beautiful skin and hair, and also all of their products are 100% cruelty free, sulfate free, paraben free, 100% vegan with no toxic 20 chemicals, and also Pilgrim is an FDA approved skincare brand. So Pilgrim basically has different ranges of products, okay, and this particular lip roll on is inspired by the secrets of Sevilla, which is in Spain. Okay, so the main ingredient that has been used in this lip roll on is squalane. So the Squalane Exfoliating Lip Peel Roll On is an innovative lip care product that gently removes dry flaky skin, leaving your lips soft, delicate and glossy, and the roll on is a fun way to buff your way to smooth lips. So this lip roll-on basically contains squalane, lactic acid as well as niacinamide. So it provides a chemical exfoliation to your lips. Okay? So squalane, if you do not know, is derived from olives, and it is a really hydrating ingredient to include in your skincare products. Lactic acid is a form of AHA which helps to gently exfoliate all the dead skin cells, and it also basically helps to lighten your dark spots and pigmentation if any. And niacinamide again is a hero ingredient which again helps to brighten up your skin tone, reduce the fine lines and wrinkles if any as well. And the combination of all of these three ingredients makes this lip roll-on a super product, because lip exfoliation के लिए काफ़ी different options available है, but I find this particular lip roll-on method to be the most effective and easiest, because you just have to apply this all over your bare lips, keep it just for 10 minutes and then just wipe it off. It's that simple. So यहाँ पे you can see I have just applied the lipstick on my bare lips, and जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं it's not looking very smooth and soft. Okay, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे see, if you can see the skin is looking a little bit dry, थोड़ा सा chapped, because I have that issue of dry chapped lips like I've already mentioned before. ठीक है, so this is the before part of before I'm using the lip roll on, okay, for exfoliating my lips. So this is how my lips look like basically. So now I'm going to remove this lipstick and I'm going to exfoliate my lips. Okay, so यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो I've just removed my lipstick and my lips are looking so dry. Okay, so now I'm going to use this exfoliating lip roll on by Pilgrim. So you have to glide this roll on all over your lips and keep it on for at least 10 minutes, after which you can just massage it with moistened fingertips and then just pat it dry. So guys, this is how my lips are looking like, and it actually feels so smooth and soft because I have like pigmented lips. Please do not go on the color of my lips, but in like on touch it feels very smooth and soft. So now before I apply my lip product, I'm also going to be using the Pilgrim's lip balm. So this is the Squalane Strawberry Lip Balm, which comes in this kind of a packaging, really cute packaging, and it comes in this kind of a color, really beautiful pink color. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the lip balm and I'm going to apply it all over my lips. and it also has a really yummy fragrance, huh? So that's our lips prepped for the lipstick application. So now I'm just going to quickly apply my lipstick and be right back. Okay guys, so this is the lipstick I wore after the lip exfoliation part, ठीक है? And before the exfoliation आपने देखा होगा थोड़ा सा crusty, थोड़ा सा dry feel हो रहा था मेरा lips. But right now if you see, you can clearly see कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा smooth और soft मेरे lips दिख रहे हैं. So like you've already seen in the demo, it's such a super easy way to exfoliate your lips, and so that your lipstick, whatever you're wearing, whether it's liquid lipstick or any other lip product, looks even more better, okay? And you get soft, beautiful and hydrated lips. So if you wish to buy this product, then you can get it at a flat 15% discount by using my coupon code, which is mentioned right here. In fact, this particular coupon code is applicable on all Pilgrim products, okay? So if you wish to buy any of the Pilgrim's products from their own website, then you can use this coupon code to get 15% discount on them. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.